Welcome my beautiful viewers and subscriber. This is your girl Sonia from Sonia Creative Kitchen, and today we are gonna make some pumpkin rice with some green peas, some brown stew pork, fried chicken, coleslaw. So guys, follow me on that one. Yeah. So over here, as you can see, I have my chicken already seasoned up and my pork already seasoned as well. Freshly squeezed coconut milk, scallion, thyme, good old scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic, some ginger. Over here I have my pumpkin, salt, my favorite spice, pimento or pimenta, and some all-purpose seasoning. So guys, as you can see right over here, I'm going to turn my stove on, get right into starting the process of making my brown stew pork. So guys, I'm going to add some garlic and ginger to flavor the oil. So guys, I'm going to remove my burnt garlic and ginger. Now I'm going to go straight ahead and add in my pork. Smells so good guys. You can smell the scotch bonnet pepper. Put some blended green seasoning on here. Smells so good. So guys, I am going to cover it, allow it to sweat its own water to help to cook it. So now I'm going to get started on my pumpkin rice with my. So guys, now I'm going to start it on my pumpkin rice and my green beans. But first, I'm going to add my coconut milk or coconut juice. I already have some water in the pot. Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, ginger, thyme, scallion. So now I'm going to allow this with some butter. And I'm going to add my green peas right before I add the rice because it's frozen peas and it's already soft, so not too much cooking. So guys, now I'm going to add in some all-purpose seasoning for flavor, salt, and I already add my favorite spice, but I'm just going to do a few more grains. So guys, I'm going to allow this to finish cook, and now I'm going to cut up my pumpkin. my viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting Sonia Creative Kitchen. Now I'm going to add my pumpkin. I grate some of it and I leave some in cubes. This smells so good, guys. This pumpkin rice with green peas is going to be delicious. So check in, my viewers and subscribers. Now I'm going to add my green peas in my pot. This is all this oil from on top of the pot is not from the butter alone, it's from the coconut milk also. Very rich. So now I'm going to allow it to cook for a few minutes and then I'm going to wash my rice to put into my pot. Smells so good. But this pumpkin rice, guys, looks so good. So now I'm going to cover, allow it to steam, and check in on my pork. Got this brown stew pork, guys. Looks so good. Real Jamaican brown stew pork. You can smell this aroma disturbing all my neighbors. So guys, I'm gonna allow this to finish cook and get started on my coleslaw. Check in, guys. So now here is all of my ingredients for my coleslaw. Right here I have some mayonnaise, some Check in, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Look at my fried chicken. This is my last set of fried chicken, guys. Look how beautiful it looks. So the next time you see me, I will be eating my dinner.
1,000 years later.
Welcome back, guys, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Your girl Sonia from Sonia Creative Kitchen. Dinner, sir. Come and see. Look at my pumpkin rice, avocado, coleslaw, my brown stew pork, and my fried chicken. Trust me, guys, me can't eat after food there, but for you know, me I go try. So, I test my rice. Some of my brown stew pork. This tastes so good, guys. Well seasoned. Cook well. And I know it's from a girl cookie. You shot. Going now for some of my coleslaw.
Into the mouth. Nice.
Coleslaw tastes so good. And a little tang. Tanging is from the lemon juice and the vinegar and the mustard. Even out with the sugar. Tastes so good. Mm. Wow. So guys, I'm going to go in for my chicken leg. I bite into it. We are Jamaican. We don't watch no face. Mm. Wonderful. Good food or just good food? Guys, we have made it to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember say, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Bye.